Nutrition requirements for animals, humans. First, what's food good for? Well, food satisfies three basic needs for the body. Energy for metabolism, building blocks, you are what you eat, and we have to have the right essential materials for normal biochemical function. Now, jumping to the punchline, there are 6 categories or classes of nutrients: carbohydrates, lipids, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Now, some of these are organic and some of these are inorganic. Of course, organic ones are those that are carbon-based. That includes the carbs, the lipids, the proteins, and the vitamins. Minerals and water are inorganic. A macronutrient is something you need in relatively large amounts, and a micronutrient is something you need in relatively tiny amounts. The vitamins and the minerals are known as micronutrients, and the rest are known as macronutrients. Now, matching this with this. Energy for metabolism, that's calories, right? Or kilocalories. The metric kilocalorie is the same thing as the food label calorie. Now, sugars and starches yield 4 calories per gram. And of course, this is a primary purpose for carbs in the diet is energy. Same thing with fats, except fats are a more concentrated source of energy at 9 calories per gram. Now, proteins are an energy source, but they're first used for building blocks. But when they are metabolized for energy, they yield about the same as carbohydrates, 4 per gram. Now, when it comes to building blocks, proteins are made of amino acids, and our proteins are also made of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids in nature. Our bodies have the ability to manufacture 11 of them. That leaves 9 essential amino acids. Now, in your lecture notes, read about the complete proteins and incomplete proteins and how that relates to protein deficiency. But in a nutshell, if you're deficient in only one essential amino acid, you are protein deficient, regardless of how abundant the other 19 happen to be. Now, water, of course, supports all functions, but vitamins and minerals are needed a lot on the molecular cellular level. Now, vitamins are organic micronutrients. They do not provide calories. They are subdivided into the fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. We can store them in the body. Water-soluble vitamins include vitamin C and all those B-complex things. Read through your notes concerning the possibilities of toxicity from over-supplementing, especially with fat-soluble vitamins. Now, this basically concludes our brief overview of nutrition. There you go.